Alright, so welcome everyone here at McDonald's as we celebrate Miko's birthday. So I hope Miko, are you excited for today? Wow. Yes. So thank you so much, Mom and Sir, for booking with us a celebration of Miko's birthday party. So you guys all excited for today's party? Yes. You guys have no choice since we only have gamay lang na kids. So please cooperate mo sa mga games later. Okay? Alright. So yeah, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ate Kyla and I will be your host for today. Together with me is Ate Emma. She will be our party assistant. So if you guys need anything, you can ask her or you can also ask me. Okay, so now, to formally start our program, may I request the one who booked the party, Sir Jude, to be here in front for the opening remark. Yes, sir. Let's give Sir Jude a big round of applause. Or Tito King, the king of the jungle. Just kidding.
Tito King.
Good morning, everyone. Morning. Wala kong kabalo kung sa mga istorya, wala kong ka-expect na makastorya na ito. So anyway, kanang welcome kay si Miko, aturo mo tas bagila natin kay kawan ganahan na ginawa mo dito, aturo tatarito niya kay ningon mo gid siya nga McDonald's, gid ko siya mo celebrate. So munang nihatag tanan diri ni support sa iyang birthday, sa iyang 7th birthday. So I hope you are all kawan kanang happy nga nata diri atong i-support si Miko. So welcome to Miko's 7th birthday.
Thank you so much, Jun. So now, Miko, can you stay here with me? Come forward, come on. Alright, so we'll be playing a trivia game. Let's see if you guys really know Miko very well. So raise your hand if you are the sibling of Miko. Sibling. Only one lang si Miko. Very good. Best friend of Miko. Wala po. Sige. How about the family of Miko, like direct family? Mother and father? Oh. Sige po. Alright. Sige. Let's see, guys. Who among the guests knew Miko very well? Miko, are you excited? Alright. Miko is excited. Let's see. What do you think Miko's favorite food? Come on, if you know the answer, raise your hand. I don't know. Just raise your hand and then I'll ask you. Yes, Mommy La. Yes, Mommy La.
Chicken bow.
Chicken bow. Wow! Alright, so Mommy La will get a prize. So I will give Mommy La a cup. It's a Madagascar cup. You're welcome. Sorry guys, some of the prizes is for kids now. We only have 3 kids right now, so let's bear with it now. Now, let's see. What do you think Miko's favorite color? Come on.
Blue.
Is it blue, Miko? Oh!
Red.
Red. Wow! Congratulations, Miss Ida. Alright, next. Alright, this one, I think this is a bit difficult. You guys play Miko, then you can answer this one. Alright, what do you think Miko's favorite, who do you think Miko's favorite cartoon character? Come on! Yes, Spider-Man. Is it Spider-Man your favorite cartoon character? No! Yes, Claro, sorry. Milan. Deadpool? Really? Oh, congratulations! Next.
Di ba dili na siya cartoon character.
Nabi na ang Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Favorite character niya ba? Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Miko. Okay na.
Okay, what do you think Miko's favorite thing to do or hobby? There, ano siya answer? Yes.
Playing cellphone.
Playing cell phone? No.
Watching TV.
Watching TV.
Watching TV? No. It's a no. What do you think Miko's favorite thing to do or his hobby?
Playing Roblox.
Playing Roblox? No.
Watching YouTube.
Drawing.
Drawing? No.
Okay, kanina ba? Watching YouTube.
Watching YouTube? Dapat specific daw, according to Miko. Alright, thank you so much, Miko. Thank you so much, Paul, for guessing the correct answer. Now let's move on to our final game. Alright, so for our first game, guys, this is what we call the Actions Relay Challenge. So I know that nakadula lang mo na ikadaghan. So I'm pretty sure kabulo mo ani. So I need 5 balitan kabuok. 5 Sige, I need 12 guests or 12 volunteers to be here in front. So come on, kailangan mo appeal. This is no longer children's party. This is what we call adult party. Pasakan man ang adults compared to kids. What can we do, man? Alright, so I need 12. Let's divide the 12 into 2, so 6 members for each group. So we'll only have 2 groups. Okay, so mag-add ko another, ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, kulangan pa. Kulangan pa na rin, 2 groups, I mean 2 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kulangan isa here. Then, kulangan pa na another 6. Ganyan ko mag-add. Let's utilize the space, guys. Na may space. Sige, pagsabot mo, isa ang tudol ako to ask the action, and isa ang stir ako sa ang action. So, the person na pinaka-end, siya may mudol na ako, I will tell her or him the actions na sa i-ask, and then siya ang relay sa action, iyang ihatag sa usa, then ang sa usa na po, iyan po itapang mo then iyang i-do ang action. Then ang pinaka-last, or pinaka-first person, siya ang first hatag na po sa correct answer. Or to guess the correct action. Okay, so tagay lang mo.
Ako yung anak na yun.
Okay, so nasa yung rules, face forward lang sa guys. Face forward, sir. Okay, so nasa yung 2 rules for this game. Number 1 rule, do not use your mouth. Please keep it close. Let me see if naka-close na ba ang mga mouth sa tanan. Dapat walay teeth makitaan ha. Okay. Hello. Alright, next rule. Dili ka pwede mo lingi unless buhito na kasi mong kauban. Just wait for your kauban or the other member to touch you. Once ilan na kang touch, that's the time mo atubang ka and do the actions. The rest, please remain na mo face forward. Copy? Alright. Wait lang. Dapat medal mo join? Pili na kayo unang kayo na kay ating tungaan. Sinabi nila mo join. 6 members. Yes, na-deserve. Pag na-deserve eh, active kayo. Yes, sir, kitawag na kasi mong pal. Alin na daw mo, sir, magdula na daw mo.
April.
Sige, okay na. Anyone po. Anyone Very good. Okay, need more.
Master, dali na.
Ayaw mo ba na dapat kami mo tao ka? Ilang ko na. Ikaw na eh.
Okay, I need two more. Two more members, please.
Apple! Apple! Oh, one more na lang, one more. One. Yeah, okay. Complete. Palit na. Dito. Nakatablo na pa.
Alright, ready na? Okay, sige, ako bang wala akong tulo, sir? Kama lang po. Yes, ma'am. Si Ma'am Melanie. And si Sir, the King. He the King. Alright, first word. Wag wala ninyo pa din ang pumusugad, ah. In 3, 2, 1. Start. No using of words. Ate Emma, kindly check them. Kindly check.
Lukas.
Oh, kuhita na yung kauban. Once na-receive na niyang action, kuhita yung next member. Then show the actions to the member. Yes, sir. Do you have answer?
Circle.
Circle? Mixing? No. Yes, Ma'am Carla. What's your answer? Baking? No. Sige, balik. No. Ang answer is katulad nasa tubangan. Sige, make sure you relate your actions very well. Sige, come on. Isa mo na mga sa 5 points will be the winner.
Like that. If I don't know, not sure like that. Si Kuya, ano na yun sa alis? Ako,
Sige, do you have answer na po? Do you know? No po, it's an action word. Sige, I'll give you, it's an action word. Yes, sir.
Cooking.
Very good! Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hapunan madali.
Do not blush, Nico. Face forward, Nico. Just wait for your turn.
Erin, look at Nico. Follow me now. Like that. Oh, look. Tell Kuya the action. Tell Kuya the
Yes, sir, do you have answer?
Front.
Yeah! Okay, very fast. Tayo ang group 1.
Raise to 12.
Ready na mo, sir, ma'am? Alright. Ready? Please face forward, everyone. Erin, please face forward. Do not watch the other. Just wait for your turn.
Doon ba rin?
Bakit kasi mami laki? Okay. Lanta at the back sa likod. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, start!
Erin, look at
Please do not use your mouth. Please keep lang inyong mouth.
Sorry na ko Please hold on.
No coaching. Di ba kailangan coach?
Yes, sir.
What's that? Tap? Oh.
As a answer. Sige, give the answer. Come on.
Lisod ka ayo.
Oh, what's that?
Wala, unsay lang answer?
Yo-yo. Yo-yo.
Yes! Very good, Ma'am Carla. You got it right. Okay, 3 points for group 1, 0 points for group 2, and 1 point for group 3.
Malibang ba? Malibang.
Alright, ready na? Please stand up, guys. Stand face forward. Just wait for your turn. Nahikapin mo. In 3, 2, 1.
Atinawag, tap.
Iko kami. Ma.
Ma'am, pala dali.
Ready? The first group, makakuha 5 points will be the winner.
Asa na itong dili? Ikaw ba na ito? Kasi ikaw ba na ito? Wala din.
Yes, ma'am. Kickboxing, no.
Football.
No.
Karate.
Karate! Alright, 4 points for group 1. 4 points.
Back kickboxing.
Alright, masaya na siya. In 3, 2, 1. Sir, ikaw na.
Okay.
Baba. 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 Baba.
Ma'am, please do not use your mouth. Kita ko ato. Please do not use your mouth, please.
Sorry.
Only actions, guys. Actions lang, actions. Driving a what? A car. Very good. 2 points for group 3. 4 points for group 1. And 0 points for group 2. Sir! Alright, in 3, 2, 1, start.
Dali ka basa. Hindi mo ka daw, ganyan siya ka basa.
Please face forward, yeah? Mom, please do not use your mouth block.
Erin, hustler.
Ay, don't use non-verbal. Ay, karagaling don't use katong sa sign language.
Blow.
Blow what, sir?
Candle.
Candle, yeah! Congratulations, group 1! na kanina. Si Ma'am Girlie, na-beauty na si Ma'am Girlie, so Ma'am Aina.
Sali mo dua.
Ka-remember ba ko ninyo?
Ayan na.
Girlie, apil ka. May papi na si Baba mo.
Drive-thru. Drive-thru.
Kita na yung ballpen, try mo na rin.
Coloring book na yun, coloring book.
Ito na yung ballpen mo.
Balay, Nicole. Tama kay coloring book. 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay! Inday, apil day.